Some of the students were seeing the following error in their web browsers when they use certain versions of Babel. It says uncaught syntax error, invalid regular expression. I didn't run into this issue with the version of Babel I have, which is 6.26.0, but to avoid any such issues, all you need to do is to add something to the script block here. In this script block, we tell that the character set should be UTF-8. UTF-8. Once you do that, if you are having this error, it will go away. Again, that error will only happen on certain versions of Babel, not on 6.26.0 at least. So just make sure you add char set is equal to within double quotes UTF-8. We are telling that we want to use the following character set so that we will not have this invalid regular expression error.